Latest 2-day technology update. The upgraded AirSelfie 2 drone takes to the skies to snap your pictures in a compact, convenient form. You can buy some very good drones in all kinds of shapes and sizes, but few are as compact, as useful as the AirSelfie. The makers of the miniature drone have just unveiled a follow-up model to the original Kickstarter-funded device, which they're showing off in Las Vegas at CES 2018. The improvements over the original model are plentiful: a 12MP camera instead of a 5MP one, a boost in the field of view to 85 degrees, and a 50% increase in battery life, so it'll now stay in the air for more than 4 minutes between charges. That should be plenty of time for you to get the perfect shot.